Hi everyone, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how to change or edit your name on Facebook. Here in the app, click on this menu. Go to Settings. Or go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. And now click on Accounts Center. Go to Profiles. Finally, select your Facebook profile. This is where we're going to change the name. First, we're going to change the username. Each person has a different username. You need to enter a name that doesn't already exist. Finally, just save. Now we're going to change the profile name. Here you can change your first name, middle or last name. But be careful, the name can only be changed once every 60 days. After changing the name, click on Review. Choose how your name will appear and finally click on Save Changes. By doing this, you can change your name. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and activate the bells. See you in the next video.